What's up world, it's Dallas with Gadget Hacks, and today I'm going to show you how to add an App Ops entry directly to the settings menu on your Nexus 5. App Ops is a feature that was originally introduced with Android 4.2. Google decided that it wasn't quite ready for prime time yet and hid the feature, but people quickly uncovered it. Basically, it allowed you to revoke an app's permission to perform certain functions like accessing location data or holding a wake lock to prevent your phone from going to sleep. But with the release of Android 4.3, Google made the feature even harder to access before ultimately removing all links to it in KitKat. And there are various mods that will bring this functionality back, but XDA user TD32 has found a way to integrate App Ops right into your settings menu. This only applies to the Nexus 5, so don't try this one with any other device. And it will also require that you're rooted, but I've got a guide on that subject linked out in the full tutorial. To get started, you'll need to download a modded settings.apk file, and that can be found at the full tutorial as well. So basically, just head to the link in the description below this video and you'll find everything you need to get this going. Once you've downloaded the settings.apk file, the rest of the work will be done with a root-enabled file browser. I'm using FX File Explorer to demonstrate, and that's a free app that you can download on the Play Store. And if you opt to go with FX as well, make sure that you also download its root add-on, which will be one of the apps under the More From Developers section of FX's Play Store page. So with all that taken care of, just head to your download folder to find the settings.apk file that you got from the full tutorial. Long press it, then select Cut from the next menu. From here, head back out to the main screen and tap System Root. At this point, FX will ask for super user privileges, so hit Grant on this next pop-up. After that, tick the box next to I understand and press OK on this root access warning. From here, navigate to the System folder, then the PrivApp folder inside of that. Since we'll be modifying files in here, you'll have to tap this lock icon at the top of the screen to mount this folder as read-write. Again, tick I understand and press OK on the pop-up. Then scroll through this list until you find the existing settings.apk file. Long press it, then select Rename. From here, just add a .bak to the end of the file name and press OK. That way, if you ever want to switch back to the stock settings app, you can just delete the modded one and remove that suffix. But after that, tap the clipboard button and select Paste to move the modded file in here. Next, long press the newly pasted settings.apk file and select Permissions from the menu. In here, make sure that the owner category is set to read and write, while all other categories are set to just read. With that out of the way, the only thing left to do now is to perform a reboot so that the changes can take effect. Okay, so now that we're back up, just open your phone's settings and head to Security. In here, you'll find the new App Ops menu, so let's have a quick look. Basically, there are several different categories of permissions that apps have already requested on your phone. You can swipe between all of these tabs to see the different apps that have requested each permission. If you want to revoke one of these permissions, just tap the app in question. From here, you'll get a list of all of the permissions that this app has requested at some point. You can simply toggle any of these switches to off, and the app won't be able to use that permission anymore. But for the full breakdown, be sure to check out my article over on GadgetHacks.com. And as always, we'd appreciate it if you would like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you again next time, folks, but until then, happy gadget hacking.